Hey y'all, here we are. We're back outside. Went and got us some more propane and we warmed the place up a little bit. It was about 16, 18 degrees when we got out here, and it was probably, I don't know, 28, 30 degrees in here. And we warmed it up a bit. It's almost 50. My toes are starting to get cold, so we got everything ready to go. We had to cut that shoulder down, the thickness of the shoulder down. I cut the head of the bolts off, the kingpins, and we're going to plug weld the kingpin right to that bushing. This will actually go on the bottom, but we had to rig this up. I got an old WD-40 squirt hose there, and to get the hole correct with the washer and a nut and all that, we had to take a little bit off the nut, had to take a little bit off of each shoulder here, and get these things the right length. So we'll go ahead and we've got them rubber band holding everything together, and we'll go ahead and weld those up. We'll even get weld out on here, and we'll probably make that nice big round and kind of like a carriage bolt or something, right? That's half round, moon round, and that's going to go on the bottom and help us clear all that brake rotor and all that stuff. So that's it. We're playing around, opening up some metric washers. We needed a smaller diameter to clear the outside of the bearing case, right? So we needed small ones to go up against the bearing on each side, and then a small one underneath the nut on each side too. So we're playing around. We're getting her done. Hang in there. We'll bring you some more. God bless.